Since early in the pandemic, COVID-19 has disproportionately affected certain groups in the United States, particularly Blacks, Hispanic and Latino, and Native American communities. In mid-February, CDC released its estimates of life expectancy in the United States in the first 6 months of 2020, which showed a profound impact on communities of color, with a drop in life expectancy of 2.7 years among non-Hispanic Blacks and 1.9 years among Hispanics, historic and tragic declines in these populations. In 2020, about 3.3 million deaths occurred in the United States overall. This represents a 16% increase in deaths from 2019. COVID ranked as the third leading cause of underlying cause of death after heart disease and cancer, with approximately 378,000 COVID-19 deaths, accounting for roughly 11% of all deaths in the United States in 2020. Among nearly all of these ethnic and racial minority groups, the COVID-19 related deaths were more than double the death rate of non-Hispanic white persons. Sadly, based on the current state of the pandemic, these impacts have remained in 2021, where we continue to see that communities of color account for an outsized portion of these deaths. The data should serve again as a catalyst for each of us continue to do our part to drive down cases and reduce the spread of COVID-19 and get people vaccinated as quickly as possible. I know this is not easy, and so many of us are frustrated with the disruption this pandemic has had on our everyday lives, but we can do this as a nation working together.